punch-down tool. Being a network technician will often require you to install twisted pair cable and make connections from a wiring closet to end devices. The task of cabling buildings is often given to professional crews who specialize in cable installation, but there will be times when you need to do it yourself. Some of the things I'm using for this demo include a patch panel, keystone jacks, cable strippers, a 110 punch-down tool, and a keystone jack holder. Alright, we're going to assume that you've run your cable from the wiring closet to the end device. That's probably the hardest part. Now it's just a matter of punching down the wires to the RJ45 keystone jacks. I like to use these keystone jack panels with these openings. You can buy them in different sizes. This one's a 24 port, but you can buy them with 48 ports. I suggest using jacks and ports from the same manufacturer so they snap smoothly into these openings. There are a few advantages to doing this. One is that if you need to replace a cable, you can take these keystone jacks out of the patch panel. You don't have to figure out how to get behind the server rack and potentially knock something loose. As you upgrade cabling from, let's say, Cat5e to Cat6 or Cat7, you can mix and match these keystone jacks into this patch panel, which is another advantage. I'll also group my cables together by location. In our scenario, I want this cable to be next to the other cables from the same location, so I can move the other keystone jacks over and put the new ones in a logical order as needed. Alright. Let's get down to punching down our Cat6 cable to our RJ45 keystone jacks. We need to strip off about 1 inch of the outer insulation from the cable. We basically only want to turn this around once. If we go around too many times, it will start to cut through the insulation of the wires themselves, and we don't want to do that. We also need to cut this plastic part off here. We have 4 pairs, and we're going to untwist them slightly. We want to keep as much of the twist as possible. The keystone jacks are color-coded on the sides. You have 2 choices here, the T568A or the 568B standards. I've always used the T568B standard, so that's what I'm going to use here. It doesn't really matter, but I highly suggest you figure out what's being used in your organization and stick with it. If you're going to do a lot of work with cables, you'll want to get a keystone jack punch-down stand. They go by different names, but they're all designed to do the same thing. They allow you to hold the keystone jack sturdy while punching down the cable. It's also a safety issue because this 110 punch-down tool has a blade at the end of it. If you don't use something like this, you could easily cut your hands, so for safety reasons, I highly recommend using one of these punch-down stands. I'm going to start out with my solid orange, and then my orange with white stripe.
Oh, I didn't get the mute. Why didn't it work?
Place.
Or was it already
Now
muted?
I'm going to use my 110 punch-down tool to punch this down.
That's tough.
As you punch these down, the blade cuts off the excess wire. You can see the wires are seated down where they're needed to be. Also, these keystone jacks have metal that will cut through the insulation of the wire to make contact. You don't need to strip the insulation from these wires. Now I'm going to do my green wires. You can see that we need to use the solid green and then the green with the white stripe. These are seated down there correctly. After they're all punched down, I have to put on these caps. Also, be aware that these RJ45 keystone jacks come designed for different sized cables. This one here is designed for Cat6, but they come in Cat5e, Cat7, or whatever you need. They also come in different designs, but they all do the same thing. Now, I would want to use a label maker to label the cable and document where it goes. Before I snap the keystone into the patch panel, I would want to test it, but I'll have to wait until I get the other end done. When I've done that, I'll snap this keystone jack into the keystone patch panel. Once you've connected to the patch panel, you'll have this other end to deal with. For this example, what I have here is a 1 gang faceplate. 1 gang means it's a single width. 2 gang is twice as wide. In my scenario, my Cat6 cable is running from the wiring closet through the ceiling and down a piece of wall conduit, eventually to a wall mount low voltage electrical box. Now, I would connect my Cat6 cables to these keystone jacks just like I did in the wiring closet. I would test this with my cable tester, and if it all checks out, I would then snap them into these openings on this faceplate. Finally, I would connect the cover to the electrical box to complete our cable run. That's it for this demo. In this demo, we looked at using a punch-down tool. We talked about some of the tools you need. We looked at using then we baseplate.
Oh, logged out? Alright. Let me just do this again. Bam. I gotta find out like some non-copyright music, bro, because YouTube like blackmail is what's it called? Not blackmailing me. They're probably gonna start doing that too. Shadow banning me, probably. What is this? Outline. Let's see. Where are we at here? Where are we at with it? There we go. We're doing labs now, baby. Alright, Office 2. Add a network card to the computer in Office 2, okay? And then test, and also test the universal power supply, okay? Turn off the computer. Let's go to the back and unplug this bad boy. Or just click this. Off. And then unplug it. Get out of there. Then let's go to the motherboard. We're gonna install this PCIe slot. Let's see, where is it at? Network adapter. Is it this thing? It is. Okay. So that guy's in there. Now we gotta install a network cable, so an Ethernet from the wall plate to the computer. And then bring that bad boy in here. There. Bam. That's what I'm talking about. Use the built-in network adapter on the motherboard, or the recently installed network adapter. Just gonna use the one up top, I suppose. Okay, now we can, where's that power? Oh, power supply? No, power cable. Where's the power cable at? I don't see no power cable. Is it this? This one goes in there. Turn it on. Let's see. Okay, it's on. No signal. Oh, let me switch it around. There we go. Click the on button. Oh, it's gonna take me in here? That's fine. And then we're gonna see if the network connection's working. What's up? Just working on these labs. Are you in California? How do you? Oh yeah, right click this. Ethernet, yeah, connected it said. Actually, I can go back here. Connected, bam, good, done. All right. now we have to do in the networking closet, test the UPS. Where's the networking closet? Over here. All right, hardware. Remove all 3 power cables from the wall plate. Okay. Ensure that the lights are still on and flickering. Ensure that the monitors are still on. Yep, everything's still on. Nice. That's it? I don't have to do anything? Do I have to plug it back in? That's it? Okay, so score lab. 100%, okay. That was weird, but whatever. Next lab, connect network devices. Small corporate network, expanded second floor. Okay, connect the switch in the networking closet on floor 1 with the switch in the networking closet on floor 2 through the fiber patch panels in each network closet. Okay. Okay, floor 1 network closet, okay. Okay, fiber patch panels. They didn't really show us much about fiber, but we'll see. Port 3 is transmit, port 4 is receive. Okay, so let's grab some of these. Cable, fiber, SC to LC, ST to LC, ST to ST, AC power. Well, I don't know. Which one is it? Patch panel fiber 24 port. It looks like this color, so this one, SC to LC. Port 3 is transmit, port 4 is receive. Okay. Connector A, white or red, is transaction. I mean, transaction, what am I saying? Transmit. Connector B is receive. Which one do I have to use? ST to ST? I guess I can just try them out. Let's check this. Does this plug in? Oh, I have to pick which one. So 3 is transmit, which is going to be white or red. This thing? Okay. And this one goes here. Okay, that looks right. Now we go to floor 2. No, that's not what I want. Oh, that's where partial connections are. Wait, where did the cable go? Oh, now it's just sitting here. That's weird. Put it back on the shelf. I don't need that. How do I grab the one I already used? You know what I'm saying? This is one cable with two ends. Or did these plug in? I don't know what I'm seeing. I want to select the other component, bro. How do I do that? Floor 1, network closet. Yeah, I want this guy. Where does this plug into? All the way up to the other switch, right? I'm gonna select this and then go to floor 2. It's unselected. I think I just gotta use this one. I don't really know how that's supposed to work. Oh, I see. Okay, here we go. Plug it in into a bank 1 critical load outlet on the UPS. Which one's bank 1? Oh, I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Now check any of the computers. Let's see what we... Oh, there already are computers in here. Let's check out this one. Oh, it's running Linux. Okay. This one's not gonna work or what? Okay, we're not gonna do that one then. This one's Windows. Ethernet. It's not working. Nothing. Okay, something's not right here. Did I not turn this on maybe? Okay, let's read through this again. Oh, I see what's going on. Let's just unplug that bad boy. Put this guy back on the shelf. Alright, we gotta go back to floor 1. This has gotta come out. And then this has gotta go in here. Alright, now we got it. Let's go floor 2 now. So how do I connect it, bro? It's not even showing up though. This is not making sense, bro. When you connect fiber optic cables, the transmit port on one device is connected to the receive port on the other device. The fiber optic cables in this lab have already had their RX and TX connectors switched. Their transmit and receive connectors switched as necessary. You can view component information in the details window on specification lab. It doesn't allow me to like I'm not sure what like I'm supposed to do here. Networking closet at the hardware. Okay, this I want access to because I want to route it all the way up to the top. How do I do that? Partial connections, right. And so how do I like drag them all the way up? How do I do that, bruh? Come on now. Connect the appropriate fiber cable to switches through the fiber patch panels. For patch panel 1 on floor 1, port 3 is transmit, port 4 is receive. Use the color coding on the end of the fiber optic cables to identify which is TX and which is RX. When you connect the fiber optic cables, the transmit port on one device, okay, so this one, is connected to the receive port on the other, right? So that means the floor 2 switch. But I don't have access to this cable. What the? Oh shoot, you're having me move the whole thing? Ah, put that back in there. This guy, yeah, selected. Okay. Selected. How do I run this cable? I'm unplugging everything, bro. Restarting this. I don't know what they want me to do here, bro. Port 3 is transmit, okay? So take the white which is transmit into 3. Bam. Okay, so I plug those in. Now go to floor 2, hardware. Yeah, this guy. And get this guy. Yeah. I can't select the cable? Bro, how do I select this thing, bro? What does this plug into, bro? That's the problem. I have to find out what this plugs into. Oh, it's on the back. Yo, it's probably on the back. Hold up. I think I figured this out. No, it's not. There's literally nothing on the back for it to plug into. I don't know what it wants me to do here. Dude, this is... I'm gonna feel so dumb once I figure out how to do this, but right now this is not even telling me to do anything. For the patch panel on floor 1, port 3, okay, so I plugged it in, but now I don't even have access to those cables, so I'm supposed to somehow route them. Partial connections, okay, yeah, so what do I plug this thing into, bro? So clearly this is not used for nothing. I've got partial connection here. Wait a minute, okay, hold on. Yeah, no. How do I get access to this cable on the other floor? Because I need to plug it in. And what does this connect into? What does this connect into? Here? Like, there's nothing to plug this into. Not understanding what to do. Hold up. In here? Oh, I think I found it. Hold up, hold up, hold up. No! What is this connected into? Oh, into this? So what about this? Does it go into here maybe? This guy goes into here? Trying everything, bro. I don't know what to do, yo. Oh, this adapter thing maybe? Oh, we got that, baby. We got it. Yo, we got it. We got it, we got it, we got it. Check it out, dog. Hold up. Now we can unplug these. Because this guy's got to come out of here. Get that out of there, bro. Get that out of there. Now we can plug this bad boy in here. Oh, they completely skipped out on that, bro. Completely skipped saying that. Completely. Just ignored it. 100% just ignored it. All the instructions just completely ignored it, bro. Oh, that's unreal. These guys... And I know that they were supposed to say it because it tells you literally every single tiny step that you need to do. It just tells you to do it. And then they just skipped out this entire part. So I know that they forgot. I know they just forgot. It wasn't supposed to be like that. They just forgot straight up. 100%, bro. That is crazy. Yo, these people are... So we can unplug that guy. And then we can get this adapter. SFP transceiver adapter. Plug that bad boy up into... Now this one. So does this one go into 1 then? Probably. Or does it have to go to 2? We'll test it out later. Okay, let's see. And then so this guy can plug into here. There we go. So should I have access now to the other cable? No, I don't have access to the other cable. I'm just gonna plug it in anyway then. It's just gonna be like that then. I guess that's the only way to do it. This one was actually confusing because they did not explain this at all. These guys are completely retarded. And then plug that guy in there. Bam. Now everything's connected. Now let's see if it works. Go to floor 2. Let's go to marketing 6 computer. Check this internet settings. No Ethernet. Never mind, it's still not working. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Something's still not working. Uh-oh. Is this thing on? Yeah, I plugged in the power. Oh, I know what it is. Okay, so I think it's got to match up to this thing then. figure it out. Okay, so this, unplug that. Hold on, grab this guy, plug it in there. And now we can grab this thing into there, SFP2. It's got to match up. Okay, now we go to marketing, computer, check internet setting. No Ethernet. Yo! Or you do supposed to switch it, actually. I don't know. Let me keep trying, because I'm pretty sure you have to switch these. You can't, you have to switch them somehow. If I unplug that, go to floor 1. This guy's supposed to connect on floor 2. That's what it says. When you connect fiber optic cables, the transmit port on one device is connected to the receive port on the other device. The fiber cables in this lab already had their receive and transmit connectors switched as necessary. Oh, okay. So no, then it should be fine. No, so it should be like this. Okay. So let's just double check. Black is receive. Okay, so port 4 is receive. Okay. So that's all correct. It's plugged up. Okay. It's all plugged up good on this floor. Floor 2. Let's get this guy in there. Port 2 is receive. Black is receive. Plug that in there. It should be good. It's all plugged up now. Is it just not on? No, it's on. Oh, this one's connected. Verify that the connection was made by checking the internet connection on floor 2, on any floor 2 computer. This one's working. Ethernet. Connected. Why is it all of a sudden now working? I didn't do anything different. Let me check this one. Marketing 5. No internet. This one's not working. What's going on here? These guys aren't even plugged in. Are they? Back. Yeah. What is up with these no signal detect on these guys? They're like not even on. Marketing 1. What about this guy? This guy's connected. What about marketing 2? This guy's connected. What about 3? This guy's connected. 4. Oh, we're looking good. But why is that guy not online? Marketing 5. Disconnected. Marketing 6. Not connected. This guy's tweaking. He doesn't know what's going on. Oh, this guy's tweaking. What about marketing 7, this person? Are they connected? They're connected. Manager, the marketing manager computer. They're connected. Legal computer. They're connected. Everyone's connected except for this guy, this little retard here. Alright, so this person, let's look at their hardware. Which one even is 6? Is it this one? This guy's all plugged up. I'm not worried about it. All the other ones are working. I'm finishing this, bro. 75%. Plug the switch floor 2 into a critical load outlet. How is it not on there? I did that. Wait, I want to do it again. That's dumb. That's dumb. It was literally plugged into the critical load outlet. What is all this? Where are we at? Okay, now we gotta restart this crap. Alright, but I know what to do here. So let's grab this white guy, put him into 3, grab black boy, put it into 4. This guy goes up in, wait, not in there. We gotta get the adapter. We gotta get this LC adapter, plug that into there. And now we can grab that, put it in there. Plug the switch on floor 2 into a bank 1 critical load outlet on the UPS. The switch on floor 2, okay. So on floor 2. So now let's go to floor 2. Let's grab this guy. This goes into 1. This goes into 2. Let's get the adapter. This goes into, I think 2. I don't remember. And this one goes in there. And then we have to grab this power cable. Let's look at the back of this thing. This is the switch on floor 2. Okay. Plug it in there. Bank 1 critical load. Which one's the critical load? Oh, critical load. Here, you can barely read that. Critical load. Which one's bank 1? This is 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll put it in 7. Okay. Let's see if these guys are working. Ethernet connected. Alright, is that it? Did we get it? Okay, we got it. Nice. Unreal. What a terrible, terrible instructions. Someone arguing outside? I'm hearing something. Okay, let's do this next one. Wow, that wasted so much time, bro. That lab was retarded. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright, let's see. Connect the workstation to the wired network. Okay, so there's a new workstation in Office 1 that needs to connect to the Ethernet. Okay. Use port Office 1 on the patch panel. Okay, so let's look at the patch panel here. Office 1, okay. To port 3 on the Cisco switch, okay. So cables, we're gonna want to get this Ethernet bad boy, Office 1 into port 3. Which one's 3? Oh, is it? This is the router. This is the switch. Port 3 on the switch. 1, 2, 3, 50. Oh, okay, I see how it's labeled. Okay, I see that. Yeah, okay. So let's, wait, where'd it go? Man, this zooming sucks, bro. Doesn't let you navigate this thing. Okay. Grab that. This guy goes into 1, 2, 3. Bam. Get in there. Now what? And then the Office 1. Oh, and then this guy I gotta connect. Okay, so take that, plug it into the wall port. And then look at the back of this guy. Plug it into the Ethernet port on this thing, which I think is that one. Yep. Okay. And now we gotta configure this bad boy. IP, automatic, DNS automatic, everything automatic. Okay, is it connected? Yes, it's connected. Nice. Score it. Easy hundo, easy hundo, easy hundo, easy hundo. Next. Okay. Made a patch panel connection for the workstation Office 1. Now you want to provide network and internet connectivity for the computers in a few other offices. Okay, so basically do the same thing but for like 3 other things. Okay, easy. So that's it, okay, bet. So exec 1 to port 1, okay. Executive 1 to port 1. Supply to port 6. Oops. Supply to port 6. And then lobby to port 8. Score it. One hundo, easy. So I thought. Now let's take this quiz. I'm not gonna. I feel like I'm gonna do bad on this quiz because I don't remember all this kind of the hardware and cabling stuff. Specifications, this, that, and the third. Okay. Requirements for horizontal cabling and structured cabling scheme. Okay, so this one, what's the other one? Must connect to IDF. It doesn't have to, because you can go without it. Must be fiber optic? No. Must use wireless? No. Can only be installed in ceiling spaces, not wall ducts. I guess it's either that or it has to go into an IDF. I feel like it's none of these though. That's the thing. It can be in wall ducts. Or maybe not, because that's like vertical. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Because must connect to an IDF, intermediate distribution. It doesn't have to. Okay, that's what I'm going with. Okay. Oh shoot, you see like something like this, like I don't remember this. What's the correct wiring configuration for T568A termination? It's gonna be one of these two. Green pair is wired to pins 1 and 2. Orange pair is pins 1 and 2. Oh shoot, which one? I either cheat or I get it wrong. It's the only 2 ways about it. A. Is A orange or green first? Oh, that's tough. That's tough. Or it's none of those. Brown pair is 3 and 6. No, I think it has something to do with the green or orange. Or the blue pair is 3 and 6. Or brown pair is 3 and 6. No, brown pair is at the end. Oh shoot, I don't remember, bro. Blue pair is 3 and 6 or brown pair is 3 and 6? I don't remember how that works, bro. I'm just gonna get it wrong, whatever. Going with green is 1 and 2. Yellow. got them shortcuts to work though. That's pretty good. That's what I like. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Let's go 2.4, 2.5, 2.6. Oh, we're doing it. Oh, we're doing it. We're doing it. They didn't know about it, but we're doing it. They don't know. They don't know. Now we're gonna use this Apple keyboard. We're gonna test it out for today. Actually, I forgot about this. We're gonna test it out, see how it runs. Start this break real quick. Okay. Let's do it. Oh, snap out of it. Focus. Yeah, no, this keyboard's kind of okay, but it's not. Oh, it's not as. It just doesn't feel as good, honestly. It's just too. It's too flat. It's just too flat. You know what I'm saying? It's just too flat. It's just too. It's too modern. It's too flat. It's too modern. There's not as much character to it. It's just. It's good. It's great. for what it does. It just lacks the old return to tradition spirit. That's the problem. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, you can just feel it in your fingers. Uh-oh, why didn't that work? Uh-oh. Did my keybinds for OBS all of a sudden just break? Yep, they just broke. They're just not working now. That one's working. Oh, it's half working. So they're just not working now. It was working. It was working so well though, just yesterday. Oh well. OBS is so broken, bro. Let's see. Yeah. Nope, doesn't work. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Keep going. What do you mean? What does that even mean? What does it mean PC or UPC? Cannot be mixed. Cannot be mixed with PC or UPC? Oh, I'm assuming, okay, PC is maybe just another contact, not another thing. That's not mentioned here, okay. Is it working now? Nope. Weird. OBS be like that sometimes, fam. What is up with this, bro? This thing has like... The smooth transitions on this is like broken. Options, fast transitions, sleep. Yeah, it's off. I don't know. Well, that's, I gotta go, help, I gotta go help out with something. Somebody needs help with something, so I gotta do a pause here. I don't know, what, do I end the stream or do I just AFK it? I gotta be back. I still got a lot to do, bro. I still got a lot to do. I still gotta do all, well, I gotta do 2.5 and 2.6. This is 2.4. Wait, what even is this? Why do I got these two? Uh-oh. That was not supposed to be like that. Anyway, okay, this should be going back. Yeah, this is supposed to be here. Alright, I still gotta do 2. Oh no, I finished that. I gotta do, okay, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, and 2.7. 2.7 is just a quiz, so that's basically, yeah, that's just a quiz. So that's not really like a full section. So these, I'm like halfway done with this, and then I gotta do these two still. This one's short, but this one's long. I gotta do all this. Technically, I can do, this is supposed to do for tomorrow. So technically, I can kind of just split up these two. And technically, I also have the weekend to do any catch up. But so far, I'm looking good. But I still gotta do some more of these. I'm gonna do 2.4 and 2.5 for sure today. Ideally 2.6 and 2.7, but we'll see. We'll see what I gotta help out with and what's gonna go on. I think I'm just gonna pause the I'm not gonna end it. Should I end it? Yeah, I'll just end it. That makes most sense. I will end it and then just restart it again when I'm back, because I don't know what's going on.